Tawon Liar, also known as wild wasp capsule, is a traditional herbal medicine trusted for generations. Made from selected natural medicinal plants, it combines the power of herbs and wild honey. One of its main ingredients is pure honey extract, harvested from wild beehives in the forest. It is also effective in reducing rheumatism, back pain, and gout. The benefits include boosting the immune system and increasing stamina naturally. It can even help with insomnia, making your sleep deeper and more refreshing. Each capsule is made with a unique blend of natural ingredients. Royal jelly 15%, panax ginseng 15%, curcumin rhizoma 10%, zingiberus rhizoma 15%, zingiberus aromatica 15%, and other medicinal extracts. The packaging is practical. One box contains 20 sachets, each with 2 capsules. To treat disease, take 2 capsules twice a day. For prevention, take 1 capsule twice a day. And to simply maintain health, 1 capsule every 3 days is enough.